The life and legacy of Évariste Galois, born on October 25, 1811, in Bourg-Lorraine near Paris, France. Évariste Galois displayed extraordinary mathematical brilliance that would leave a profound mark on mathematics, despite his tragically short life. His contributions to group theory and the study of equations remain foundational to modern algebra. Early life and education. Galois was raised in an intellectually rich household. His father, Nicolas Gabriel Galois, served as the mayor of Bourg-Lorraine, while his mother, Adelaide Marie de Mante, educated him at home until the age of 12. She imparted a deep understanding of Greek, Latin, and religion, instilling a skeptical outlook in her son. In 1823, he entered the Lycée Louis le Grand in Paris, a prestigious institution where he initially excelled but later struggled with conventional studies. A pivotal moment occurred in 1827 when Galois attended his first mathematics class. He quickly demonstrated an unparalleled passion and aptitude for the subject. His instructor noted that Galois was consumed by mathematics to the exclusion of all else. Despite this talent, his unorthodox methods and disdain for traditional instruction drew criticism. In 1828, Galois attempted to gain admission to the École Polytechnique, a leading institution, but failed the examination, possibly due to his difficulty in articulating his innovative ideas. Mathematical contributions. Galois's genius flourished as he delved into advanced mathematical research, studying works by Legendre and Lagrange. In 1829, he published his first paper on continued fractions and submitted groundbreaking work on the solvability of algebraic equations to the Académie des Sciences. However, his submission was lost following the death of the secretary, Joseph Fourier. Later, Galois refined his ideas and developed a framework for what is now known as group theory, an innovative method to determine when polynomial equations can be solved using radicals. In April 1830, he published 3 papers on group theory and elliptic functions, but the recognition he deserved eluded him. His work was dismissed by prominent mathematicians of the time, such as Poisson, who criticized its lack of clarity, though he encouraged Galois to expand his exposition. Personal struggles and political turmoil. Tragedy struck in July 1829 when Galois's father committed suicide after being defamed by a local priest. This event profoundly affected Galois, deepening his political convictions as a staunch Republican during a time of significant unrest in France. The July Revolution of 1830 further inflamed his activism, leading to his expulsion from the École Normale after a public dispute with its director. Galois's political activities brought him into conflict with the monarchy. He was arrested multiple times, notably for allegedly threatening King Louis Philippe during a Republican gathering. While imprisoned, Galois attempted suicide and expressed despair over his isolation and the lack of recognition for his work. Final days and legacy. In early 1832, Galois was briefly freed from prison during a cholera outbreak. During this period, he became romantically entangled with a young woman, Stéphanie Félicie du Motel. The affair led to a fatal duel on May 30, 1832, under unclear circumstances, possibly involving political or romantic disputes. Galois spent the night before the duel feverishly writing down his mathematical ideas, leaving notes filled with brilliant but incomplete insights. Shot in the duel, Galois succumbed to his injuries on May 31, 1832, at the age of 20. His last words reportedly implored his friends to ensure his work was preserved for posterity. Though his contributions were largely ignored during his lifetime, Galois's manuscripts were later revisited and published by Joseph Liouville in 1846, establishing him as a pioneer of group theory and modern algebra. Évariste Galois's life, though brief, epitomizes the intersection of genius and tragedy. His revolutionary ideas laid the groundwork for a vast field of mathematics, ensuring his enduring legacy as one of history's most original thinkers.